Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you'll be able to restrict your group chat on Messenger. And let's head over first to our Messenger app, shall we? Alright, so this is my Messenger, and there are a lot of group chats here that we want to restrict, or in other words, ignore, which is what it is in Messenger. But the thing is, using the Messenger app, you can't really ignore or restrict a group chat, and you have to do it somewhere else, which is by using your Google browser on your phone. So you open Facebook on your browser on your phone, and make sure to switch over to desktop site by clicking on the top right corner of the screen over here, the triple dots, and then click on desktop site, and then it will bring you to the desktop version of the app. Then once you click on a group chat, you'll be able to see this arrow button in the top right corner of the screen. You just need to click on that, and you'll be able to see some settings, and one of them is ignore messages, which is basically restricting a group chat. And that is how you'll be able to restrict group chats in Messenger. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.